Good morning, children. Today we are here back again with a new lesson, and the name of the lesson is perimeter, area and volume. So today first we will talk about the perimeter, and we are going to talk about the perimeter of two things, that is two plane figures, that is square and rectangle. So first we would discuss the properties of square and rectangle. Talking about square, in a square all the sides are equal. Okay? Means if we are talking about this side is equal to this side and all the sides are same. So, to find the perimeter, now in the previous class, in class 4th, you have already studied that what is perimeter. This outline, the total length of the border is known as perimeter. Okay? If we are talking about the walking terms, then if we start from this point, we can walk from this to this point, then here to here, then here and here, and the total distance which we will cover will be considered as perimeter. So to find the perimeter of square, what we would do is, we would be adding side plus side plus side plus side. So we will be adding, right? We will be adding side 4 times. Side plus side plus side and plus side. So here we are adding side 4 times. So this is 4 into side. So this is how we get the formula to find out the perimeter of square. Here if we talk about the rectangle, a rectangle has length, which I denote here as L. Then here this is the breadth, which I am denoting by B here. Now again applying the same concept of perimeter, right, we will be finding the perimeter of this rectangle. So here L plus B, this is again length because in rectangle opposite sides are equal. So this is again L, then this is again B. So here there are 2L and 2B. Children, 2 is common to both the terms. So here we are taking 2 as common. What we are left with? Iska 2 bahar hai, then what is left? L, and this 2 is also out. What is left? B. So this is the perimeter of rectangle. So when we derived the formula of perimeter of rectangle and perimeter of square, we got these formulas. So now to find out the perimeter of square and rectangle, we would be using this formula for square and this formula for rectangle. Now we will be talking about the next term, area. So children, for area I have an activity for you to find. For the activity, the things you require is a graph paper, the pencil and a ruler. So now let's try to find out the area of this leaf. Okay, I have taken this leaf and now we'll be trying to find out the area of this leaf. Children, I have already highlighted the boxes because here there are various small boxes and big boxes. So we will be taking this big box as one unit. Okay, this one big box is taken as the one unit here, and that is why I have darkened all the boxes. Now in order to take out the area of this leaf by counting these boxes, children, you have to keep in mind that one box is considered as one unit and the half box is considered to be the half unit. And if it is less than half, then 0, and if it is more than half, then complete 1 unit unit it will be counted. Children, I just forgot to highlight this line. Okay, so now we'll be counting all the squares. So this is less than half, this is also less than half, this is also less than half, this is also less than half. So when it is less than half, we will be counting it as 0. Now, this is almost half. So this is half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is more than half. So this is 6. Right? In this row it is 6. This is less than half. So it is 0. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and this is half. So this is 6.5. Okay. Now we will be counting the boxes in the next row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this one is less than half. So it is considered as 0. Now again this is more than half. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this is less than half. So it won't be counted. Now this is half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 why? Because it is more than half. 9. And it was half. So 9.5. Now this is less than half. So it will be considered as 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this is half again. So this is 9.5. Now this is again half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is more than half. That means it is 9. Again 9.5. Now this is again more than half. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. This is less than half. So 0. Now this is less than half. 0. This is half. 1. This is more than half actually. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is also more than half. So this is 9. This is less than half. This is half. More than half. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is also more than half. 6 and 6.5. So children, now you will be adding all these numbers and you can find out the area of this leaf. Okay. So the area of leaf. Here in perimeter, children, what we were doing, we were finding the outline. Right? We were finding the length of the outline. But in area, we are going to find out the surface which the leaf is occupying, and that is why we are counting each and every block to find out the leaf. So now we will be calculating. Please total up, children, and tell me the answer. On adding, we are getting, children, here 76.5 unit square. Yeah, square unit. Okay? It is square and unit. Okay? So yes, the unit is square unit. Children, I will be explaining why the unit here is square unit in detail further in this video. So before we start that, we will also try to find out the area of here a square and here a rectangle. Again, I have already darkened the boxes. So here we will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So here we have seen that it was 6 boxes, and here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that means the side is equal to this side. Now to find out the area, we are going to calculate or count all the squares present. Right? So altogether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 20, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So all together this is 36 square. I am writing in short square units, because one square here is known as one unit. Okay. So like this we'll be able to find. We have find. And what was the side? 6 by 6. So here 6 into 6 is 36. So the formula for area of square came, what did it come? Side into side. Okay, children. So here we are going to multiply side into side and we will get the area of square. Now when we talk about the rectangle here, Okay, so this is the length we are talking about, and this is the breadth. Okay, this is the length and this is the breadth. If we talk about the length here, the breadth is here. Now we will be counting the boxes again. So in breadth, how many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So L is 11 and breadth is 6. Altogether 6. Unit. Okay. Here also unit. Okay. Now after counting it, it will come 66. So here what do we infer? That 11 into 6 is 66. Children, you can count even by yourself if you want, or else if you want I'll also count. It will come 66. So here what the area is coming? The area is coming to be 66 square units. Now again I am saying that why this square is coming. I will talk about this in detail in this video itself. So here is a simple concept. How do we find the area? In area we are totally going to count the boxes, and in perimeter we were only considering the boundary. Okay. So as we have discussed in the activity, and I have told you that I will be discussing how we have got square unit in the areas unit, right? Why do we like square unit? So in order to find area of square, what do? We multiply the sides, side into side. And yes, this side is measurable. So it is measured in some unit. For example, meter. Okay, it is measured in meter. So when we multiply m into m, it becomes twice of m, which is called m square, and it can be written as square meter or meter square. Both the ways it is written, right? Both the ways it is written, it is not wrong, and it is symbolically written like this. Similarly, what happens with the area of rectangle? Again, it is length into breadth. We should make sure, earlier also we used to make sure that the units are same whenever we are solving the question. So here also we have to make sure that the units are same. So for example, length is measured in meters and breadth is also measured in meters. So again it comes twice, and that is meter square, which can be again written like this. So this is why, that is why I have written square unit. There I was not taking any unit, right? That square was taken as one unit. So here, that is why I have written there square unit. But here the unit is mentioned, that is meters. So we can write here square meters. Now, after the concept of area, the last topic which is left in this chapter is volume. So when we talk about volume, we talk about the solid objects. Till now we were talking about plain figures, that is rectangle and square. So when we talk about square, where all the sides are equal. So when all the sides are equal, then it is known as cube. It is something like this, a solid figure. And when we talk about the next figure, which is cuboid, which is rectangle from all the sides, here the length, the breadth and the height. Okay. Here one more thing is added, that is height. So here when we talk about the cuboid, it is in some rectangular form and it is a solid object. So here the size of the cube is A, for example, and here it is L, because here all sides are equal, because in square all sides were equal. And when we talk about cube, again it is formed by squares, all the sides in cube are equal, and here it is length, breadth and height. So while finding out volume, what exactly volume is? It is the capacity. It can be termed as capacity. So here in this box, as we have talked in graph, वो एक square we were taking it as one unit. So मान लीजिए वैसे ही cubes of one unit small cubes. How many cubes can be filled in this cuboid or in this cube? Then we can say that it is the volume of this cuboid or this cube. So we will talk about in the terms of those small cubes. Okay, one. So here when we talk about the volume of cube and volume of cuboid, then since how many cubes are to be filled here? Unit cubes. So length, breadth and height is what matters, right? So the formula for volume is length into breadth into height, right? Length, breadth and height. Okay? Let me expand and write so that it is very much clear. Length into breadth into height. Okay? And hence the same formula can be written here also, but here all the sides are equal. So A into A into A. So the volume of cube is side into side into side. Volume of cube is side into side into side. And volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. Okay. So like this we have completed lesson number 13, perimeter, area and volume. Okay, so here I think children, the concept to find perimeter, area and volume is very much clear to you all. In case of any doubt, your doubts are most welcome, and please keep watching if you are understanding the concept, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.